Kimi AI is an AI assistant developed by Moonshot AI, a Chinese company in artificial intelligence. It's built on a versatile large language model and provides a variety of services to help improve work and study efficiency. You can use Kimi AI for text processing, conversational Q&A, and knowledge management. Open Docker and click Project. Create. In the Project Creation Wizard, set a custom name for your project. The storage path will be filled in automatically. Then, enter your Docker Compose configuration file. The image specifies which Docker image to use, and latest means it will use the newest version of that image. The restart setting defines the container's restart policy. When it's set to always, the container will automatically restart whenever it stops. The ports section defines how the container's internal ports are mapped to the NAS ports. 8011 to 8000 means that port 8011 on the NAS is mapped to port 8000 inside the container. This allows you to access the web application interface. For the environment, TZ equals Asia Shanghai setting. It specifies the container's time zone as Shanghai, China. You can adjust it to match your local time zone. Click Deploy, and the system will automatically pull the image and start the container. Go to the Kimi official website to register and log in. Start a conversation. Then press F12 to open your browser's developer tools. In Edge, go to Application, Local Storage, find the refresh token, and copy it for safekeeping. In Chrome, go to Application, Local Storage, find the refresh token, and copy it for safekeeping. After running Kimi Free API, you can connect to the API using Lobetchat, NextChat, Defy, or other clients. Here, we'll use NextChat as an example. Go to the Docker image database. Search for UData, ChatGPT Next Web, and download the latest version of the image. Once the download is complete, create a container in Docker. Set the container name to a custom name. Configure the environment variables. You can delete any variables you don't need. OpenAI API key is refresh token. Create two new environment variables. For base URL, enter the full IP address and port of your deployed Kimi Free API service. Custom models is all plus Kimi. Choose a suitable port mapping, for example 3011 or 3000. After configuration, start the container. You can quickly access it or open it in your browser. Once in the settings, you'll see that the model is already set to Kimi. Click New Conversation on the left to start a conversation.